Mark chapter 4 verse 41, "And they feared exceedingly, and said one to another, What manner of man is this, that even the wind and the sea obey him?" God gave people the power to dominate and control his creation when he created this physical planet and all of its inhabitants. Despite the fact that God remained the sole owner of the universe and everything in it, he granted man dominion over the earth. Man started using this ability against God's will when he sinned. Even while God did not permit all the tragic events in human history, he did not revoke man's authority to rule the planet. Instead, he took on the form of a man and reclaimed that power through victory. After his resurrection, Jesus declared in Matthew chapter 28 verse 18, "All authority is given unto me in heaven and in earth," and after giving his followers the Great Commission, he bestowed that authority upon them as well. It was absolutely necessary for Jesus to take on human form in order to acquire all dominion, or authority, in heaven and on earth. Jesus was God made man. As stated in 1 Timothy chapter 3 verse 16, he was God manifested in the flesh, which is a great mystery. To direct people to the Father God, Jesus came in the might and authority of his Father. Jesus was equal to God before coming to this world in the form of God, but during his time on earth, he humbled himself and took the role of a servant. Instead of promoting himself, he came to offer himself as the path to the Father. The way great men purport to show themselves is vastly different from this. In Jesus' day, the Roman emperor proclaimed himself to be God and demanded worship. Poorer leaders dominated by elevating themselves above the subjects they oversaw. As the Son of Man did not come to be served but to serve and to lay his life as a ransom for many, Jesus taught us that, "Whoever will be great among you, let him be your minister. And whosoever will be chief among you, let him be your servant." Matthew chapter 20 verses 26 to 28.